Hey everybody, it's your boy Ricky here with Romero Cards, and today I am here to talk about a product that I was sent by Maker's Movement. They reached out to me. I'm on their creative team, so I make some things with items that they sell. And one of the things they sent to me a few months back, but I haven't been able to actually review it, is the crossover to fabric and paper cutting system. So today I'm going to do an unboxing for that. I'm going to work with it a little bit to see how I like it, show it off, and all that great stuff. So we're going to go ahead and get that started. And here we go. It's in a big old box. Bam. Big old box. It's the crossover to paper and fabric cutting system. As you can see here, we'll go ahead and take this out of the box. I did open it because I needed to see the instructions. So I do have that. In this box, they included some fabric cutting dies, which I don't have any fabric, so I won't be cutting that. But we'll go ahead and get this unboxed here. Hopefully it's not too noisy for you guys. I normally don't do kind of like live unboxings here, so hopefully it's not too bad. We'll take the pieces out here in the machine. Ooh, he's heavy. And I called it a he. Ooh. That's a mama jama right there. Big mama, however you say that. Big mama jamma, whatever it is. All right, so let's do some unwrapping here. Hopefully it's not too loud, I'm sorry. Or maybe I should need to do them, what is it, AMSR. So we can do the unboxing this way. Anyway. Oh, hey. Wow, he's heavy. All right. So we have cutting plates here. All right, so let's first look at the cutting plates. So we have a cutting plate, which is pretty normal looking. We have the metal shim, which we use those often. And we have the platform here. So let's see what else we got here. Take the boxing out of here. So this is a foldable machine. Let's see if I can get this out a little more. There we go. I probably should have looked to see how to open it. So let's see here. Oh, it's Velcroed. Okay. All right, so it folds out. It's pretty large. It's a pretty big machine. If you could see here, it is 12 inches this way and 21 inches this way spread out. And then folded up, it is about 4.5 inches folded up and about 9 inches tall. So one of the good things about this machine is you can adjust the pressure of the machine according to what you are cutting. So let me zoom in here. If you see this, these are the pressure points that you can use. So depending on what kind of die you're using or what kind of embossing folder, you would choose the pressure here. And this also does fabric cutting, leather, vinyl. It does all kinds of cutting. So when I was reading through the book, let me go ahead and stick this through here. The instruction book, we are just going to use a regular die. I'm going to use like this die here. Let me zoom out. There we go. We're just going to use this die, and we're going to cut it out as some white, regular. This is 80-pound Nina Solar White. So hopefully this isn't too blurry. I hope this comes out okay. Bring that out a little more. my messy desk. So the instructions say, for paper die settings, the 65-pound cardstock is 3 to 4, chipboard is 7, burlap with liner 5, cork with liner 3, and craft paper thin 3. So what we may do is, let me see what the sandwich is. Probably should have read this fully before I went through here. So cutting configuration. So it's the clear mat, the paper, the metal shim, and then the white base. Okay, that looks good. All right, so let's try this. We are gonna put it on, we'll put it on 3 and see how that cuts. Because it said 65 pound, but I have a 90 pound, so we'll take a look at that and we'll see how it goes. Oh, I like this because it has the levers here that hold the tray up. That's nice. So let's try this. We're just gonna put this here. I do like it because it's really big. You can cut out a bunch of stuff at one time, so that's nice. Let's see if I do this correctly the first time. Okay, here we go. Okay. Let's see. So it didn't cut all the way through because I put it at a 65-pound setting. So what we'll do is we will put this up to, let's put it up to maybe 5. Let's see how that works. So we'll run it through again. Oh, actually, I think the higher you go, the looser it gets. So let's go back down to, let's take this out and let's go to 3. And let's see how that works. Oh yeah, that seems to cut better. Woo! All right, so yeah. It cut it out. I'm not gonna take all these out because it'll be messy. Maybe I can do it really quick. Here we go. So yeah, that actually cut pretty great, actually. So that was good. Let's see if I can find another one we can use. What else can we cut out? Let's see here. Let's do this Simon Says stamp large stitched maple. Let's see how this has actually never been used, you guys, so it's like the first time. There we go. How pretty. I'll have to save this and color it for later. And maybe we'll do an embossing folder too to see how that works out as well. So we'll just put this through. Let's try it again. The handle's pretty easy to use. It's not too crazy. It's not hard to get through, so that's nice. So yeah, perfect. So yeah, so far I love it. It's pretty great. It's working fine. It's not hard to use at all. It's great that you can cut all kinds of different things with it. So now we are going to do an embossing folder, and let's see how that works out. Let's use this. We'll use 2 different kinds here. Let's see here. We'll use this red thicker one, the textured ones, and we'll try all three of these. So for the embossing folder, it says, embossing settings, etched metal embossing plates with rubber pads. Okay, plastic folders, no embossing pads on 12. So we'll put this up to 12. And we will get a piece of paper. And this might have to go a little thicker because it's thicker than most common embossing folders, but we will try it. And all right, so that's a little thick, so let's go up higher. Let's go up to 15 maybe. It's still a little too thick. I'll go to 18. Yeah, still a little too thick. So let's try removing this and then just putting the folder through, and we'll lower this. Let's see. The good thing is you can experiment with this and you can't really break it because it won't let you go through if you don't have the right setting. So that's on 6. Let's see if that'll go through. It's a little too easy. So we'll go down to 3 maybe. It's still a little too easy to go through. Let's try 2. Okay, so I think 1 might be the perfect setting. There we go. Wow, okay. Probably shouldn't have done that though. Maybe I should read the directions, but it did work. So maybe what I need to do is put the metal shim and kind of do it like this. So if we do that, let's put it up a little higher. Let's do another piece of paper here. And let's try this. Okay. Okay, so that worked. Yeah. It could probably be a little more embossed. I just need to put it up on the next setting, but it totally worked. It was fine. Let's see here. And then maybe let's try this folder, which is not as thick. Okay. So we'll make this a little wider. And I can already tell that it's too thick. Yeah, too thick. There we go. So that's on setting 14. Yeah, it's perfect. Worked. It's pretty great. All right, let's try this last one here. This one's pretty thin too. It's not as thin as that one, but not as thick as this one. So let's see what setting this will go on. Again, I do like it that you can find the right setting before you send it through, because sometimes, you know, it could be a little scary sending things through the machine before you really know if it really fits or not. So, okay, so this one can probably go down a little more. Wow, okay. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, totally worked. You guys, this machine's pretty awesome. It works great. It may not be ideal for a person that has issues maybe with strength in their arms because it is a little heavy, but other than that, it works great. There's no issues. I like the color. It's fun. I wish I had some fabric to cut out, but I'm not a fabric person, so there may be other videos on the fabric, but I do love that it folds up. You know, again, it's pretty cool. To put the, oops, you can't really see that. To fold this away, you just click this little clip here and fold that, and it's put away. So yeah, I mean, it's a great machine. I'll keep it in my craft room and use it because it's great and it's sturdy. I think it'll get the job done, and I'll be able to work on different things as I develop maybe my crafting skills. You know, maybe one day I'll make a quilt. I don't know. But anyway, I want to thank Makers Movement for sending me this machine. I can't wait to just get it in the regular rotation that I have, and you're probably going to see it in some other videos soon. I'm glad it folds up because I don't have a lot of room in my craft room. So this is good. I like this. So thank you very much, Makers Movement, for sending this over. If you guys want to purchase this machine, just head over to the makersmovement.com and click the machines and supplies, and it'll be listed there. Thank you very much. Thank you for following me. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Find me over on Instagram as Bromero Cards, and I will talk with you guys later. So have a great week. Bye.